Wagwan people. So today, we're gonna be doing a review of Bad Reputation. Um,
It's an original film by Paradise Nation.
mm-hmm,
It's a locally made film. Made in Jamaica.
So we're gonna drop the trailer now, so you guys can check that out, and then we'll come back and do a review because we just finished the movie. So let's see you guys in a sec.
Because if you want good enough, your nose have to run. And a legitimate something there. Here, legitimate. Alright, yo, bless up myself in a dog. Yo, me dey back in the street, you know.
Alright, business, man.
Me dey back here, man.
Charlie Crab.
So, McKay.
Brother.
Me tell like I said, I go. Bumble, McKay.
Me not have a car
Oi,
before.
listen to me. I'm gonna put one in that fight. That boy, please, McKay.
No kill me.
So how that I go look for me take up myself, go give myself a crime I mean not do. Then I go like say I me do it.
You say my friend Shirley Cobb come from jail, no?
What? Where is it?
Oi, you're a joker. I don't want to hear that. You're a joker. I don't want to hear that. Yo.
You know what say? Papa News. Me just watch a video, you know. Say Richie crash. Go to hospital, lead on.
Amber, stop telling me foolishness. Them they want somebody for wash plate. You don't need subject for wash.
Nobody tell nobody say I'm you no buy from. Tell your father say me, Shirley Crab, don't sell little boy weed. You hear me tell you? Move friends man and go down to your father man and don't come back and say come boy you want buy no weed.
Hey boy.
Something wrong with her.
Welcome back, people. Or terribly right. Something is terribly right with me, okay? So, as you can see from the trailer, you guys should definitely go check it out. Again, that is Bad Reputations by Paradise Nation's original. Directed by Alton Gordon and Richard Brown.
And Richard Brown also did the writing, and we have been following them for a while. Yeah, before they were even Paradise Nation originals, I would say, but we enjoyed the movie.
Mm-hmm. We normally check their movies out on Saturdays, or our date nights is usually when we check them out. So like he said, we've been checking them out for a few months now.
Right.
So we just thought that we would go and review some, one of them, or this one, because we watched this one tonight. So Richard Brown did write this. He also played Timmy. He might go by another name. I'm not really sure if I think that was the character's name, Timmy. Produced by Alton Gordon, who also played Shirley Crab.
Mm-hmm. The cinematography was really good.
Mm-hmm.
Was even a little above decent.
Oh yeah, it was amazing.
Yeah, it was really good. And usually with low budget productions, the first thing that you notice is the sound. The sound on this was
very crisp.
Yeah, nice. They've
been improving overall on like their sound quality and their production value. Let's just say we watched some of their earlier stuff where it wasn't as crisp, but it was, as you guys can tell, it's very, very wonderful. As a local movie, that's amazing.
Oh yeah, definitely. It shows that the industry is like moving in the right direction, because up until now, I mean, a few years back it was pretty much just was dead, but there's a lot of people, and Paradise Nation's originals, it's not the only production company. It's just that we just kind of like following up. You know, most of their movies, it's just almost like morality tales. you know, and it's a reflection.
I
And
agree.
yeah, so we came to, you know, like how you have method acting, we coined the phrase, you know, social acting,
Yes.
you know,
The
where
superlative.
right, so people are just so used to, you know, the roles that they're playing is not very far from their lives. You know, either they know people like that or they've been through it, so you don't have to take any time off to do
Right.
any research. You just know exactly. So the acting too is pretty good too. You
Very
know,
convincing.
yeah, it's
Very
nothing.
realistic. I would have liked certain pieces of it to like maybe the clips to be a little bit shorter. I did feel like they were repeating like the statement. Like once we got it, it just kind of, you know, went on. But I mean, it was okay because at the end of the day, like the production value has gone up so much that it's like, okay, these are really nice colors. They're really brilliant. The sound is really crisp. You're not really having to worry about the roosters crowing or the neighbors' music.
Yeah. What you're hearing is exactly what they want you to hear. And the dialogue that she mentioned, I guess that comes from, I think most of it, I'm just guessing, but I would say that most of it is pretty much ad lib.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't think it was completely scripted,
Right.
which in itself, you know, lends its own flavor to it, you know, and authenticity, you know, when you're actually, you know, conversing, you know, in your own language.
Fair.
So that's good, you know, but there's a risk, you know, if they just like with the editing, because conversationally, or when we are having conversations, even with us, you'll notice that there's a tendency to keep on repeating the point. Yeah. So you need to know exactly when to get out. But outside of that's kind of minor. We totally enjoyed it.
Yeah, it was wonderfully made.
Yeah.
Again, it's a free movie. It's on YouTube, so you guys can definitely check that out.
Yeah, and support them. Definitely
Yeah.
support them. Support the local culture. You know, because we definitely need a more vibrant movie industries, so that our stories can be told. All right.
Absolutely. So again, go check them out. Paradise Nation Original. I could probably we'll drop the link.
Oh yeah, definitely.
So you guys can check them out. Like, comment, and subscribe on this video. Let us know what you think. Drop in the comments after you watch it and let us know what you thought about it, what you liked, what you didn't like. So we can
definitely
chat it up.
All right. Peace.